Hi guys, happy almost 4th of July and welcome to the middle of week 3. This week is really rough because there's so much work to do. We only have 1 week for poetry, and so I just wanted to send a little shout out of encouragement to cheer you along. You probably already noticed on the homepage are the links to the work that's due this week. And so there's 3 discussions, the journal log, the quiz, and then essay number 2, which is a poetry interpretation and analysis. Remember, there's some resources down here, and you can use your handbook as well to help you out. One of the discussions, discussion 9, will be brainstorming for essay number 2, just like you did for essay number 1 last week. So that discussion is open for you to soundboard ideas and to kind of get your thoughts rolling, get that creativity going so you can get some feedback. I hope you have a great 4th of July. I also wanted to talk a little bit in this video about plagiarism and about using your own words and citing properly. A lot of times plagiarism happens accidentally. It's MLA mishaps, not understanding that you need to quote any material that you take, even if you reword it. It's still paraphrased and you're still taking the idea from someone else. It should be cited. Taking whole chunks of ideas off the internet from websites like poets.org or poetry.org is not okay. It's considered cheating, and I take it very seriously. And the reason I take it seriously is because you are fully capable of having your own ideas. You just have to slow down a little bit, take a breath. Look at what I'm asking you to do for the particular discussion or assignment that you're doing, and do your best. That's all you're being asked to do. So please, please, please do not plagiarize. Do not copy ideas off the internet and paste them into the discussions. It's not cool at all. So if you have questions about MLA, you can use the Al Purdue Writing Labs link. You can use the handbook for the class, Little Seagull handbook. It's super, super useful. There's lots of information in there about analysis and critique and MLA citing and punctuation, grammar. That's what the handbook's for. So again, welcome to week 3, midweek. Pace yourself. Post any questions that you have about anything that's going on to the discussion board. It's a lot easier if you post them here than email me, because I can answer the question for you and then I can answer it for other people. So again, you're going to post it here. Have a great 4th of July and good luck with your work. Happy writing.